Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will jump right into it. I am doing this really pretty berry fall color scheme type of look. Here it is. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Of course, I'm biased. So if you guys like what you are seeing and just check out this glow, I'm using a new highlight. Look at my nose. I'm glowing to the moon. If you guys like this, please keep watching and check out how I do all this glam. Done my foundation and my eyebrows. And I have powdered right here and like my usual spots. I just wanted to make this a little bit faster, or else my tutorials turn out to be like 25 minutes long. So yeah, so I did my like face base, and now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start with this Too Faced Natural Matte Palette right here, and it looks like this. So I'm going to go in with the color Cashmere Bunny right here. And putting Cashmere Bunny all in my crease right here. Just put it in your crease. I'm going to bring it out a little bit too. So it's a nice matte neutral color. And it'll be really good to blend out everything. So I have the Cashmere Bunny in my crease, and then I'm going to take, just get any mauve tone color. I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to build it up. So I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to just build it up in my crease. I'm just going to do, I'm not going too crazy with it, but, and I'm also going to bring the same color underneath my eye. Just pulls everything in. I'm gonna take this darker color that's more plummy right here, and I'm gonna add it in here as well. Gonna give it like a nice smoky effect, just to darken it up, bring out more of the mauve plum color. So just like that. And I'm gonna also, I'm not gonna bring this one underneath because I want to keep it a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna take a little more of the Cashmere Bunny right here, and I'm going to kind of put it on the inside of my lid right here. I'm going to take a clean blending brush like this, and I'm going to take the color Heaven right here, and just going to put some right above my eyebrow and kind of blend everything out. Okay. Next I'm going to take this Nars Afterglow palette right here. And I'm going to take this color over here. I'll write everything in the description box below. But I'm going to take this color, and I'm going to just take a little bit of this. I'm going to put it right in here, just to add like a little dimension. Because this is more like a satin color. Do that right there. So after my eyeshadow, I've blended it out a bunch. I like everything really nice and blended. So after blending everything out, I'm going to do my mascara and eyeliner, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with my, I decided to put lashes on, eyeliner and put some lashes on, and so now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm just gonna brush off my baking powder that I have here, and I'll tell you guys a little tip. I put this on even more so because when I do my eyeshadow, any fallout just falls on the powder and not on my face, like on my skin, so that's helpful. So anyways, now I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs bronzer. This is in Tantastic. It's a nice neutral tone. As you can see, I use it a lot. I've hit the pan. So I'm just gonna go in here and I'm just gonna contour. Just like that. So I know it might look really harsh right now, but I'm going to blend it out. I'm gonna get actually this side. Get this side and contour my nose. So again, it's gonna look a bit harsh right now, but I'm gonna blend everything out. And right below my lips as well. And I'll probably look crazy, but I'm going to go in and blend everything out. So I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and just go crazy with the blending. We're gonna smooth everything out. If you watch any of my videos before, you know I'm like super blending queen. I think it's super important to blend everything. You don't want harsh lines. You don't want to look like your makeup is wearing you instead of you wearing your makeup. So you want to blend everything out really, really nicely. So this might look a bit harsh still, so I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and I'm just going to even it out even more. Especially the nose. You want it to be really subtle with the nose. And get your lips, get your neck. Just go over everything. You want it to look seamless. You don't want it to look not seamless. Now I'm gonna go in with a setting spray. I'm just gonna use this Mario Badescu. I think it's called Badescu. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's the green one. I'm just gonna spray my face. Just so we get rid of like that powderiness. Okay. And I go in with my foundation brush, just blending everything out. This is a technique I use to blend things even more. And just smooth everything out. Get your forehead. So I'm gonna take this blush right here. It's called Mood Exposure from Hourglass. It's one of my favorites, as you can see. It is almost gone. So I'm gonna go in with, I like to use a fluffy, fluffy brush like this. And excuse my dirty brushes, but I do need to clean them. I've been lazy. And I'm just gonna go and I like to use the tapping motion, so I'm gonna go and tap kind of along this way. And I personally like blushes that you could just build up on. So this is a great blush that is very buildable. See that? I'm gonna put a little on my nose, just like a little bit of color on my nose. And kind of just go like this. I go back and forth a lot. And then, yeah, so right now it looks good to me. And I'm just gonna take my fluffy, I can't talk today, my fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to, again, blend with a fluffy brush. Okay, so next I'm going to take this contour kit, and I'm just going to get these two shades right here. They're almost dead, but there's still something in them. It's like the pinky matte powder and like the banana powder. And I'm just going to take this, and I'm just going to brighten up my under eye some more, because I have dark circles and I like it nice and bright. So I'm just going to use this to brighten that up. I'm going to put some on my chin, right here, just brighten everything up. Okay? Just like pack it on. Okay. So I really like that brightness right there. And then again, I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush and just blend it out so it looks nice and seamless. All right, so next I'm going to use a highlight. So I recently received this for a review through, I think it's called Influencer or something like that. And I love this product. You guys will see the glow. It's like this beautiful rose gold color, RMS Beauty. It's called a Master Radiance Base. So you could mix this in with your foundation. You could put it on under your foundation, or mix it with like moisturizer and like give yourself this nice glow. But I've been really liking it for a highlight. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, this is a cream. I'm going to take a brush like this, and I'm going to spray it with the setting spray, just like that. Just be generous with it. And I'm going to take some of this right here. I'm going to put it on the cap just to blend it out, and then I'm going to put it on my nose. It's so nice. You know, I like to look like Rudolph, so I like a glowy nose. And then I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to put some more setting spray. And I put it right here. It's so pretty. I'm not getting paid by this product or anything. I just think they did a really good job with this product, and I really like it. So this is just my honest review, as you can see. So I finished putting on the highlight. I'm actually gonna add some right above my brow bone. I took some on this brush, and I'm just gonna add a little bit above here. I love how versatile this thing is. So I think it comes in 2 colors, and this is like the lighter one. So yeah, do you guys see this glow though? Like, what? And I put some here too. So I'm just gonna blend everything out. You guys know with my blending, just kind of like dab it, okay? And yeah, I could put some on my Cupid's bow right here. Such a beautiful glow. So I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills color. It's a really beautiful berry. I was kind of inspired by my nails to do this look. This one's called Dusty Rose, and I'm just going to put some on. So I love their liquid lipsticks. They stay on for a long time. They're not over drying. They're a little bit dry, but not like super crusty lip status. You know what I'm talking about? If you wear liquid lipsticks, you know how like crusty your lips can get. So this is not that crusty level. So I'm just gonna put on. So I freaking love this color. I think it's so gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna put some more blush on because that's just what I do. I'm gonna go back in with my blush. That's why I like to go in with a lighter hand first, so I can like add a little more in the end. I'm like a blush gal. I feel like blush just like wakes you up and makes you look alive. So now, lastly, I'm just gonna take some more setting spray. I've been trying this new Tarte Stay Spray, so I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna spray away. The mist on this is super nice. I wish every setting spray would follow this kind of mist. So this is the final look. Here it is. This glow is real. Like, what? This is life right here. Like, I'm all about the glow. I'm all about the glow up. And this is awesome. Like, I just love this freaking highlight, dude. You guys need to get this. And again, I'm not getting paid to say this. This thing is legit RMS. You did a great job. So, yeah, this is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.